How to force password change at next sign-in in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Knowing how to force a password change at a user's next sign-in is a simple but powerful step in ensuring your system's security. In this video, we cover methods that force a password reset on Windows 10 and 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Methods to force a password change at next sign-in in Windows 10 and Windows 11. There are two main methods to force a password change. The first method uses local users and groups to force a password change, available only on Pro and Enterprise versions of Windows. Here's how. Right-click the Start button and select Run. Type losermgr.msc and press OK to open local users and groups. In the left pane, click Users. Right-click the target user and choose Properties. Then, check User must change password at next logon. Click OK to confirm. Note: you cannot have Password Never Expires enabled if you want this setting to take effect. If you're on Windows 10, you can use the command prompt or PowerShell to force a password change at a user's next sign-in. For this method, you will need to open the command prompt or PowerShell with administrator privileges. Then enter the command net user username / logon password chg:yes. Replace username with the username of the user you want to force to change their password. To verify if your changes have been applied, run the command net user username. Enforcing password changes is key for situations where credentials may be compromised or shared. By requiring a password reset at the next login, you protect systems from unauthorized access and maintain compliance with security policies. Common use cases include after an employee leaves, following a suspected or confirmed data breach, as part of routine compliance protocols, for example PCI, DSS. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to force password change at next sign-in in Windows 10 and Windows 11, linked in the description below.